So this is how you can return to Tinder after banning. Simply open up the app and then go to your profile. And now tap on your settings, and once you go down really far, you can go ahead and delete your account. After this, you can use the same phone number to log in and make a new account. But if somehow you can't, you can just go ahead and log out and then make a new account. It's actually that simple. I'm pretty sure you won't be able to use the same phone number you used on this specific account, so you're gonna have to use a separate phone number or email in order to make a new account. And that is how you can go ahead and return right after being banned. Once again, the first hack I have for you is deleting this account and then using the same exact phone number in order to create a new account. But if you can't make that work, you can just simply log out or delete the Tinder app, in fact, and then log back in a completely new phone number and a completely new account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.